In this video, we're covering the installation of the second generation AMI system. Firstly, remove the white insulated thermo hose from the back of the steam outlets. You may be able to undo this by hand, but if required, use a pair of pump pliers to loosen. Once removed, head to the front of the column and use an Allen key to undo the 3 steam outlets. Next, feed the middle steam outlet through the middle hole of the second generation AMI system and connect to the outlet at the rear. To tighten, rotate the actual tri-jet system from the rear. Then, once tightened, reconnect the remaining 2 steam outlets using an Allen key. Finally, reattach the white insulated thermo hose by hand and tighten with a pair of pump pliers.